Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to Jaivan Public School and Junior College. Today I will going to explain you English literature lesson number 5, The Balloon Sailor. Okay, so we will see the balloon sailor in this lesson. First, I will give you a short introduction on this lesson, and before explanation, I would like to ask you the few questions about the holidays. Okay, so whenever you get holiday, how do you spend your holidays? Where do you go? What type of game do you like to play? Where do you go? Do you like to play game? Do you like to ride bicycle, or do you like to go to park or relative place? How you spend your holidays and what type of game do you like to play? All this we will see in this picture, in this lesson. Okay, so the lesson, the balloon sailor, is the based on the games and the holidays. Why the name of the lesson is the balloon sailor? Maybe the question is arising in your mind. So this you will comes to know when you will read this lesson. Okay, you have to read this lesson twice to understand why the name of the lesson is the balloon sailor. Okay, so let's begin. I will going to explain you this lesson. So in this lesson, the children are here very excited because they get their holiday and they are very happy and they shouted like hooray, we gets holiday. From tomorrow onwards we will play games and we will meet in the park and all. They are very excited to spend their holidays. Now, in the evening, what happened? The children met in the park and they are very confused to play game. So they are very confused to play game. They want to play new game. The children are very confused. They want to play new game. So here Amit, Karan, Ruby, and Julie. These are the characters who met in the park and they want to play a new game. So, maybe suppose you are discussing with your friends to what type of we play game. So, some here in the same way, here also the children each other suggesting that we should play this game or that game. We should go to park. We should have a bicycle riding bicycle and all, and we should have this and that. In the same way the children are discussing here what type of game they shall have to play. So here Karan asked to other children that what we will play now. So Ruby said, let's we have a mystery game. So here find outers game. So means what? Mystery games means what? They want to be detecting. So they just want to find out the fact about something. So here the mystery game means what? To find out the fact about something. So they are now. Amit said there is nothing to find out. See here, what is to find out here? So Ruby said here we have so many things to find out. Let's you can see that balloon sailor. Who look at that balloon sailor who was waiting for half an hour without sailing a balloon. So in this way, the Ruby said to other children that let's we have a mystery game. So now they want to find out why the balloon sailor, this man is waiting here, standing for a few minutes, just want to know. So they just want to know why this man is waiting here. So whether this man is thief, so they want to find out the fact about this man. So just they are looking after the man. So this they just followed that man, the balloon sailor. Wherever the balloon sailor go, the children were search to that man, and they were in curious to know why this balloon sailor is not selling anything and waiting there. The man turned into the next lane and stopped when he reached a big house. So the children find that the man was turned to a house, big house, and the house was locked and there is no one. So in this way, when the children comes to know that the man turned to a next lane and stopped when he reached a big house without selling a balloon. He is looking after that house. Although they know that the door is locked, still the man is waiting there. So they just want to know, the children want to know whether this man is thief or what. So they are very curious to know about this man. So this is a mystery game. The mystery game is what? To find out the fact about something. So okay, so in this way they are just hiding themselves behind the wall. So suddenly, what happened? A car drove up near the house and stopped in front of the gate. A young couple, you can see in the picture, a couple with a child. The child got off, and the child ran after to the this one, the balloon sailor. The children looked at shocked. See how the baby, this child, the Samir, the baby's name is here Samir. Samir ran after to the balloon sailor, towards the balloon sailor. The children looked shocked. So it may be the balloon sailor said, picked up the child affectionately and handed him a large red balloon. So here it is, just for you, said the balloon sailor to that Samir, the baby. Thank you for waiting, said mother. So here the baby's mother said thank you to the balloon sailor. So it means that the balloon sailor was waiting for a long hour for a couple. Daily he give a balloon to that a baby child. So this baby's mother said thank you for waiting. Otherwise Samir would have screamed the place. Means what? Scream the place means what? Cried loudly. Otherwise, the if you wouldn't give balloon to Samir, the Samir will cry loudly. Said balloon. The balloon seller said, "Okay," and the children comes to know. Then after that, the children comes to know that this balloon seller was waiting for a couple who to hand over the balloon to a boy. So this made the children very the children comes to know that the children did not want to hear the anymore, and they ran back to their place, and they ran after, and then they burst out they laughing, and they comes to know the fact about the balloon sailor. The balloon sailor wouldn't a thief, he is a good person who was waiting for a long time to just give a balloon to that baby. So then after the children comes to know about the fact about the balloon sailor, and then they all laugh loudly, and they just had their fun with that mystery game. And then onwards they decided, we forget the mystery game and we will play a regular usual game onwards. Okay, and this is the way in this lesson how the children decided to play a mystery game and what they find out in that game we had seen in this lesson. Okay, and I hope you understood this lesson. This lesson is very excited and very this thing very mysterious lesson about the fact of that balloon sailor. I hope you understood about this lesson. Thank you.